everyone, welcome again to my channel Besides Syllabus. This is my fourth video and thanks for watching and liking my video. So coming back, today I am sharing some information and interesting facts about a car company, maybe known or unknown to you. So let's just start with our video. Today we are going to talk about car companies which you must know by Besides Syllabus. And our today's company is Citroën. So let's just start. Citroën is a French automobile manufacturer founded in 1919 by the French industrialist André Gustave Citroën and part of PSA, which is Peugeot Société Anonyme or Peugeot Citroën Group since 1976. In 1919, the Citroën factory started to produce automobiles. Earlier, they were producing military equipments. The Type A, which we are going to see now, also known as 10 PS, became the very first Citroën car. Following the initial success of the first model, French company released its next model, which is Citroën 10 CV, followed by the next one, Citroën 5 CV, a four-cylinder compact car. The Citroën Type C appeared in 1922, nicknamed as the Petit Citron, which meant by little lemon, due to the fact it was available in yellow at first. In 1922, during the 7th Paris Motor Show, the pilot hired by Citroën drew the word Citroën in the sky, which sketched for 5 kilometers, which is an absolutely extraordinary act. In 1923, the company introduced the Citroën 300 B2 Caddy. In June 1924, Citroën produced more than 250 vehicles a day. At that time, the company had offices in Belgium, England, Italy, Netherlands, Denmark, and Switzerland. And now the very interesting fact which I found that the Eiffel Tower served as a billboard for Citroën from 1925 to 1934. Is it so amazing? The Citroën 2CV is an air-cooled front-engine, front-wheel drive economy car introduced in 1948 in Paris. About 3.5 million cars produced from 1948 to 1990. In 1956, the Citroën is at the rally and the rally named as Finland Thousand Lakes Rally. So nowadays, Citroën can offer its customers a wide range of models from hatchbacks, minivans, sedans and the popular DS models like Nemo and Berlingo vans, comfortable minibuses, jumpy and jumper and even commercial trucks. So that's all for today. This is all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. Please comment in the comment section below, and if not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and give me a chance to share my knowledge with you guys. Stay tuned with me to get the latest updates of videos and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you can get the update of my new videos. So all about today. Thank you again. Take care by staying in home. Be safe and bye bye.